Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make glowing light only ways. Gather clear water, a high-intensity LED, a small glass vial, a battery pack, and basic tape or glue. Start by wiring the LED to the battery with insulated leads, then secure the LED so it faces into the vial. Fill the vial with water and seal it tightly to prevent spills. Test the light and adjust position for best glow and diffusion. Collect the materials before you start to keep the process smooth and safe. Use a bright LED matched to your battery voltage and a small glass vial for a focused glow. Prefer distilled water for stable light diffusion and to avoid mineral clouding. Have tape, hot glue, or a silicone sealant on hand to fix and seal components. Keep pliers and wire strippers ready for neat connections. Begin by stripping wire ends and soldering or twisting them firmly to the LED leads, observing polarity for correct illumination. Mount the LED so it points directly into the glass vial and secure it with hot glue or tape for stability. Fill the vial to the desired level, then seal the opening to prevent leaks and protect contacts from moisture. Test the unit, adjust spacing for even glow, and
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.